Hi, this is Brian from TLC for Good Home Health, brought to you by KL Home Inspection Services. Here to tell you what you need to do to get your shovels ready for the winter. There's no doubt that the edge of your shovel has been pretty beaten up from last year's banging on the curb. So you got to take your file and file it down. Don't forget though, you should do both sides. Now we're not trying to make it into a knife, but we want to get it to slide under the snow. Now, more importantly than anything, we want to get some kind of a smooth surface here. Now, we're not going to repaint it, so we're going to take some PAM, and we're going to spray the shovel itself. On top, back, and now you're ready for serious snow shoveling. And that's it. All right? We're all set for the winter. Be safe. Talk to you soon.